took a monkey for a ride in the air. The monkey thought that everything was on the square. The Santa tried to throw the monkey off of his back. The monkey grabbed his neck and said, "Now listen, Jack, straighten up and fly right. Straighten up and stay right. Straighten up and fly right. Cool down, Bobby, don't you blow your top."
To this kingdom where all must be honest. Music, music. Slowly, gently, night unfurls the splendor. Grasp it, sense it, tremulous and tender. Turn your face away from the garish lies of day. Turn your thoughts away from cold and feeling light, and listen to the music of the night. Let your heart start the journey to the strings of the world. Equal force of the life you knew before. Close your eyes, let your spirit start to soar.
Is your finger less angry? Is your mouth a little weak? When you open it to speak, are you smart? Are you smart? you